Hello students, welcome to our e-learning classes, Modern English of Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today we are going to discuss some examples of exercise 10, that is trigonometric ratios. This is the second video lecture of the trigonometric ratios. So, students, look carefully, and our first example is, if find A is equal to 8 by 17, find the other trigonometric ratios of angle A. Other trigonometric ratios, there are 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, so find cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Okay, so one is given, then find other trigonometric ratios. It means 5 other trigonometric ratios is find out other 5 trigonometric ratios, just like cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Okay, so students, first of all we draw a right angle triangle ABC. We draw a right angle triangle A, B and C, and this acute angle is A, and the right angle at B. Consider a right angle triangle ABC in which right angled at B and A is the acute angle. So let's start, for students. Find A is equal to 8 by 70. Given if find A is equal to 8 by 70, and find, we know that if find theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, so find A, it means this acute angle, the opposite side of this acute angle is the perpendicular. Okay, this is the perpendicular, and the opposite side of the 90 degree is called the hypotenuse, and AB is the base. Okay, so in this figure BC is the perpendicular because this side is opposite to the acute angle A. Okay, and AB is the base and AC is the hypotenuse. Okay, so students, find theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So we write BC or by AC is equal to 8 by 70. Okay, let BC is equal to 8K and AC is equal to 17K. Okay, so BC is equal to 8K and AC is equal to 17K. And now students, we find the value of AB by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so students, AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. So AC is equal to 17K, the whole square of the 17K, minus BC, it means 8K ka whole square, is equal to 17K ka whole square, it means 289K square. Okay, and minus 64K square. Okay, K square is common, 289 minus 64. Okay, so students, here AB square is equal to K square into 289 minus 54, that is 225. So AB is equal to root under 225k square, that is 15k. Okay, so the value of AB is 15k. Okay, and now find A is given 8k by 8 by 17. For cos A is equal to base by hypotenuse. So AB by AC. Okay, so AB is equal to 15k by the 17k. K is cancelled, that is 15 by 17. Okay, tan A is equal to perpendicular by base. So perpendicular is BC and base is AB. So BC is equal to 8k by 15k. K is cancelled, that is 8 by 15. Cos A, tan A, cosec A. Cosec A is the reciprocal of the sin A. So sin A is 8 by 17, then cosec A is 17 by 8. Okay, and the sec A is the reciprocal of the cos A, and cos A is 15 by 17, that is sec A बराबर 17 by 15. And cot A is the reciprocal of the tan A, and tan A is equal to 8 by 15, then cot A is equal to 15 by 8. Okay स्टूडेंट्स, अब इसी क्वेश्चन को हम स्क्वायर रिलेशंस वाले फॉर्मूला से सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके, गिवन है sin A by 8 by 17, अब फाइंड द अदर ट्रिकोनोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ऑफ एंगल A. सेम क्वेश्चन बट मेथड अलग है. So here students, let's start solution. First of all, given sin A is equal to 8 by 17. Okay, so students, we know that कि sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. This is the square relations between the trigonometric ratios. कि sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So here sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. 8 by 17 का whole square plus cos square A is equal to 1. So this implies कि cos square A is equal to 1 minus 8 by 17 का whole square. So students, 8 का square that is 64 and 17 का square 289, and take LCM 289 and 289 minus 64, that is 225 by 289. Okay, so remove a squaring. So cos A is equal to root under 225 by 289, that 15 by 17. Okay, so cos A is equal to 15 by 17. Sin A is equal to 8 by 17, cos A is equal to 15 by 17. So students, tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Okay, we know. Okay, so sin A is equal to 8 by 17 by cos A is equal to 15 by 17. So we write कि 8 by 17 divided by 15 by 17. So 8 by 17 multiply, this is the reciprocal of 15 by 17 is 17 by 15. 17 is cancelled, 8 by 15. So tan A is equal to 8 by 15, sin A is equal to 8 by 17, and cos A is equal to 15 by 17. And the reciprocal of sin A is the cosec A, and cosec A is equal to 17 by 8. And the reciprocal of the cos A is equal to sec A, and sec A is 17 by 15. And cot A is the reciprocal of tan A, so cot A is equal to 15 by 8. Okay, friends, our next question is, if 3 tan theta is equal to 4, 3 tan theta is equal to 4, evaluate 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta divided by 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta. Solution of this question. First of all, given. So given that is 3 tan theta is equal to 4. So we write कि tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. 3 tan theta is equal to 4, then tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, इवैल्यूएट करना है कि 3 sin थीटा प्लस 2 cos थीटा डिवाइडेड बाई 3 sin थीटा माइनस 2 cos थीटा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कन्वर्ट this term is the form of tan theta. So we divide numerator and denominator by cos theta, because sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Given expression is is 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta divided by 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta. We divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. Okay, so we write sin theta by cos theta plus 2 cos theta by cos theta by 3 sin theta by cos theta and minus 2 cos theta by cos theta. Cos theta is cancelled. Cos theta is cancelled, and this sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, and this sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So we write, students, this imply that is 3 tan theta plus 2, 3 tan theta plus 2 by 3 tan theta minus 2, 3 tan theta minus 2. क्या किए, नॉमिनेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में जितने सारे टर्म्स है सभी टर्म्स से हम cos थीटा से डिवाइड कर दिए. ओके, cos थीटा इज कैंसिल और sin बाई cos बन जाएगा क्या, tan. अगर यहाँ cot थीटा होता तब हम क्या करते, cos से डिवाइड, sin से डिवाइड करते हैं. किस चीज से डिवाइड करते हैं, sin से. तो sin इज कैंसिल एंड cos बाई sin क्या होता है, cot. ओके, सो हियर 3 tan theta plus 2 by 3 tan theta minus 2. So 3 and put the value of tan theta is equal to 4 by 3, that is 4 by 3 plus 2 and divided by 3 multiply 4 by 3 minus 2. Okay, 3 is cancel, 3 is cancel, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 and 2 3 is 6, that is 3. Okay, students, our next question is 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is equal to 4. Is equal to 4. For that कि tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. मतलब given है कि 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is equal to 4 and for that tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. For students, let's start solution. गिवन है क्या, 7 sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 3 cos स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू. ओके, फॉर स्टूडेंट्स बी राइट की 7 sin स्क्वायर थीटा इज 4 sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 3 sin स्क्वायर थीटा. ओके, 4 sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 3 sin स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 7 sin स्क्वायर थीटा and plus 3 cos square theta is equal to 4. Okay, and 4 sin square theta, and in these two terms common is 3. दोनों टर्म से 3 क्या करेंगे, कॉमन निकाल देंगे, बचेगा क्या, sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस क्या, cos स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 4. ओके, दिस इम्प्लाई 4 sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. ओके, तो यहाँ केवल क्या बचेगा 3 इज इक्वल टू 4. ओके, सो 4 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 4 माइनस 3 दैट इज 1. ओके, सो साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 by 4. 4 is there. So sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, sin theta is 1 by 2. And we find cos theta. So students, we know that the sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, we know that the sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, so 1 minus sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Put the value of 1 by 2 का whole square, that is 1 minus 1 by 4. So take LCM 4. 4 minus 1, that is 3 by 4. And cos theta is equal to, remove a squaring, cos theta is equal to 3 by 4, that is root 3 by 2. Okay, so students, tan theta, we know that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Okay, so sin theta is equal to 1 by 2 divide cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 multiplied 2 by root 3. 2 is cancelled, that is 1 by root 3. So hence student tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay.